Have you ever marveled at the perfect symmetry of a flower or the intricate spiral of a shell? What if I told you that these natural wonders follow mathematical rules? Welcome to the first chapter of Stewart's Nature's Numbers, where we explore the natural order. In nature, patterns and structures are everywhere. From the leaves on a tree to the spots on a leopard, these patterns aren't just random, they are governed by mathematics. But how can numbers explain the beauty and complexity of the natural world? Stewart begins by showing us that while the beauty of nature is visible, the mathematical principles behind it are not always obvious. Take the Fibonacci sequence, for example, a simple sequence of numbers that can be found in the arrangement of leaves or the spiral of a sunflower seeds. This sequence isn't just a coincidence. It's a fundamental pattern that helps plants maximize sunlight exposure and arrange seeds efficiently. By following these patterns, plants optimize their growth and reproduction. Stewart also highlights that while mathematics can describe many natural patterns, it doesn't capture everything. Nature is complex and sometimes chaotic. By viewing the world through a mathematical lens, we begin to see the hidden order within this complexity. In this first chapter, Stewart invites us to discover the beauty of nature through mathematics, not just as numbers and equations, but as a way to reveal the world and harmony in the world around us.
Through mathematical models and patterns, we can unlock secrets about growth, symmetry, and structure. This deeper understanding helps us appreciate the intricate designs of nature, from the branching patterns of trees to the spiral shells of mollusks. So the next time you explore a garden or admire a natural landscape, remember, there is a natural order to everything, and mathematics is the key to uncovering